What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to do a really quick and easy tutorial on how to achieve the perfect fox eye makeup look. So if you're interested to find out how to achieve this look and to be in trend with the makeup world, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you haven't seen my face before, hi, my name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like your kind of jazz, then stick around. I would kindly suggest to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also follow me on Instagram at Ammunition. In today's video, I thought to just do a really quick tutorial on how to achieve the perfect and the easiest foxy eye makeup trend. This has been an ongoing trend in the past few months, and I have to say it's a really great makeup trend, and I absolutely love the end result of it. And I feel like it makes you feel more feminine, making your face look a bit lifted, and it just gives you a really clean and smooth look overall. I thought this tutorial would be really useful for you guys. So yeah, let's jump right in. So to achieve this look, you are going to need a neutral palette. So whatever neutral palette you have in your makeup collection, then that's fine. I'm just going to use my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette because it has some really cute neutrals in it. Now I'm going to take a detail brush and just go into the shade Musk, which is this almost skin-like brown shade. So ideally you would want the foxy eye to be directed towards your brows so as to lift your face as per se. I'm just going to drag this line towards where my brow bone ends, and I'm just going to pull back. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and then I'm going to blend out that line. This will also help to create that smoky feeling of it. Next, I'm going to take a brow brush, which is kind of like a thicker liner brush, if you may. And I'm going to go into a shade deeper, which is Amber. Just very easily contour the lower part of this line. This will also give it a little bit of warmth. Now I'm going to take the same detail brush that I used at the beginning, and I'm going to go into the shade Quid, darkest brown in the palette, and I'm going to very carefully accentuate the actual line. Now I'm going to take again the first shade that I used, the lighter brown, and go over the warm shade. Now I'm going to take the fluffy brush again and make sure there are no hard edges on the latest shade. Now you would take the lighter brown and you're gonna go underneath your eyes on the lower lash line. This will help bring the upper and the lower lash line together and make it look cohesive. Next up, I'm going to take the lightest shade of the palette, which is Desert Sand, on a fluffy brush. And I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eye to brighten up the beginning of the eye, if that makes sense. And this will add a lift to your eye and also illuminate the area. Now you'll have to use your favorite mascara to prep your lashes. Next up, their lashes. Voila. That was really easy to achieve, and I think it's one of those makeup looks that will never go out of trend. It's just so classy and elegant, and you can literally pull it off anywhere you go. You can also add a pair of lashes for a little bit of Anyways, let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at Ammunition. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!